Hey, this is Tim. The reason it's dark, I'm checking for leaks. I use this stuff here, environmental safe, Bridget. We done looked all the way around up in here. The line is freezing up because it's low. Looked all around in here. I looked all over here. Check the compressor. Make sure you check your lines. Make sure you check the compressor itself. And then the main thing, come to this condenser. See all these little green spots? Look at that one. Green spot there. Yeah. And a couple of green spots right there. Good green spot right there. So these are just enough little small green spots. Especially that one. That one's doing pretty good. But those are just enough for it to have that slow leak that'll drive you nuts. So we'll be doing a condenser on it. But I just wanted to show what I do to find leaks. Use this stuff right here. Works real good. Thank you for watching.